Hello, this is Paul Milligan for IC Show TV at IC 2019. Many thanks for joining us. I'm joined today by Tony Leedham from Ashton Bentley. Welcome, Tony.
Good to meet you, Paul.
We were talking off camera just before the video. It seems to me, especially that meeting rooms are going through a massive change at the moment, probably more so than they have in 20, 30 years or something. Is that something you guys are seeing right now?
Absolutely. We're seeing a move away from the complex. Simplicity is definitely what users are asking us for. The downtime in meetings, as we've all experienced, walking into a meeting room, things not working, is a pretty common experience. And so we've tried to simplify the whole process, not only from the ease of use, but from the design, the purchase, the deployment, everything is simpler. And that seems to be what most of the users are looking for.
So it's something we discussed earlier. It's you guys are looking at providing a package or a solution. I don't know quite what you call it, but it's got an integrated approach. Traditionally, that's what integrators have done. They have got the individual bits and put them all together. Does that not put you guys at friction with integrators because you are almost doing them out of a job?
Yes, it certainly does. I mean, we are seen to be the enemy for a lot of the systems integrators. However, the systems integrators that do understand what we do see the benefit because it allows you to deploy more rooms quicker and at less cost. So that means you can do the auditoriums, the large meeting spaces, which we don't do, can be done better and spend more time with the client. So actually the value what we offer, it gives these systems integrators much more opportunity to sell other things to their clients. Plus it allows them to do installations overseas, which they may not have been able to do without contracting local engineers, because we can FedEx our systems, turn up with an engineer, and a day later he can leave and it's finished. So they don't have to deploy local on-site teams overseas.
Sure. And with regards to the show itself, what can people, when they come to the please tell everyone what the stand number is and what can they see when they get here?
Yeah, Hall 14, N100. We're showing all our we call them spaces because we provide everything, not only the AV technology, but we do the furniture. We even supply chairs now.
Wow, okay.
So the whole package can be put in a crate and sent somewhere. We have them in the Omani Desert for BP. We have other ones that we do. So if people come to the booth, they can see all flavours of what we do, from the smallest screens, 55-inch, right up to the large twin 75-inch screen, and all the furniture and tables which have the technology integrated included.
Fantastic. Tony, it sounds like you've got something for everyone, so many thanks for joining us.
Absolute pleasure. Thanks, Paul.